The world almost ended in Munich. Not from a war, but because grown adults couldn't share a pretzel. No nukes, no tanks, just vibes, mustard, and unchecked egos. World leaders stumbled into Munich like drunk uncles at a wedding for the 62nd Security Conference. Putin's seat, a cardboard cutout that kept face planting every time someone mentioned accountability. Trump stormed in yelling, "I had the best security. Nobody secures like me." Then immediately whispered, "But seriously, where's the McDonald's?" Outside, Iranian protesters chanting regime change accidentally started a techno-rave. A Bavarian in Leidenhausen crowd-surfed into the mosh pit screaming, "Freedom und Brezen!" Inside, the Middle East panel collapsed into a screaming match over the last giant pretzel. Xi Jinping proposed strategic harmony, then passively aggressive ate everyone's snacks to assert his dominance. France demanded, "More baguettes, fewer missiles." Russia countered, "Fine, missiles, filled with baguettes." By the end, the emergency diplomacy session turned into a group therapy circle, which somehow evolved into a conga line. Aliens live streaming from orbit finally muted Earth like, "Yeah, we're not touching this." And that's how global leadership works in 2026. No solutions, no peace treaties, just mustard stains and democracy. The world is still doomed, but now it's trending as #Munich Meltdown. And somehow we're out of pretzels again.